DJM TV.
Good morning, Nigerians. I am in my hometown, Anegbete, in Esako Central Local Government. This is the net these kidnappers put on the highway so that when the vehicle or when any vehicle is coming, the net will just enter the vehicle, roll the tires, and probably the vehicle will not be able to run again. And the kidnappers will just come automatically. They will block the person and they will kidnap the person. So as at last night, there is this Fulani kidnapper, a boy, it's a Fulani by tribe, as I'm seeing him, because they have spoken to him. He said he's Fulani. Him and his gang, they tried to kidnap somebody who was coming to Anegbete last night. And the person, knowing fully well that things like that are about to happen, when he entered the net, he started driving with speed. And the speed was able to cut off the net, but one of them jumped on the vehicle, dragging the steering with the guy. And the man drove with speed, and he brought the guy to Anegbete because the guy held the vehicle very tight. When he brought the vehicle to Anegbete, fortunately, the vigilante group were able to block them. They were on duty. They were able to block. I think that's the chairman, it's Mr. Monday Osigala. They were able, the vigilante group, they were on duty. And they blocked them that last night. And they were able to apprehend the guy. I'm going there right now. People will see the Fulani guy we are talking about. Funny enough, the funniest thing now is this. That when this guy was apprehended last night, he has been boasting that he has been to area command and that they have always released him. That criminals will never finish in Nigeria. And that no matter how they torture him, he is not going to say anything. So now you say no matter what the police do, you not go talk anything, Abi. You not go talk. And you go continue to the thief. You now continue to the kidnap people. Nah so. You not going to do like that.
They not go fit come, ma.
The head.
Even though they carry anything, they not go fit come.
They not go fit come where una dey.
They not fit shop that money. They not fit carry and they go kill Bature.
How many of una?
Now the one Jalil with my own second one. Now 3 will be.
Which bush una dey?
Now you know say now the same place with the Jalil.
Who be Jale?
The one why they kill in neighbor, the one why they kill Bature, they carry Bature, go Libya, go na Namai, on Ethiopia, they say the one carry.
But na Nigeria be, you be, I be na Nigeria, you be.
Me na Nigeria, I be.
You be Nigeria? Which state?
Na where state where I did.
Which state you be? Be Katsina, be Kado, be where you be?
For boss a place. No be say na him na. Yesterday, not be here, they come and grab me. You see clothes why they carry.
Because what I am saying right now, before I finish this video, when this boy was apprehended by the vigilantes, that
DJM TV.
were actively on duty last night. Hold on. When they apprehended him, the room they kept him, they decided not to torture him, decided to just like lock him up in a room. Unfortunately, for the chairman of the vigilante, most of his diet food, plantain, I think dried plantain and some other things that were there, this boy messed them up, pee on them, practically defecated on all of them. Most of his clothes, most of the things that were there, they messed them up. And this boy is saying right now that no matter what they do to him, he is never going to confess. That they are deeply inside the bush, inside the forest, and that people cannot get there. You now, if they follow you, you fit carry people enter the forest, you fit carry people enter the bush.
I dey fear now.
You dey fear now to enter there.
Nah, here me I dey now. Yeah, may they go kill me.
So if you go there now, they go kill you quick.
Chap, if you are there here, they no go feel. My neighbor they quick come. Cause I'm the second, they go come together. If they see me here now, they will keep. no go ma call that.
So this thing what una do last night, so e good? Abi e no good?
Me, I don't know, not be myself. My cow.
Why using it?
Okay, they bring you corn, a cow they won't use you can't do before. But all of a sudden now, you can see they can't carry you and start kidnapping.
They give me this thing.
They give you something in shop.
Yeah, fish. No, say me, I know the shop fish. I come the promoter. He come on that. Me, I don't know, say nah, I say him come. I say thank God.
So right now, you people can see, this
my...
is one of the kidnapper in Anegbete. Because of they had to bring him out because he messed up the room that he was kept. Thank you very much.
DJM TV. DJM TV.
These Fulani people don't say no, they don't like us. Welcome to DJM TV.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.
Some of the delegates and ask them questions.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.